Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, exceptions are events that disrupt the normal flow of a program. They can occur due to various reasons such as invalid input, file not found, network issues, etc. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to handle exceptions in Java, focusing on the common scenario when you encounter an exception in the Eclipse IDE. What are exceptions? An exception is an object that is thrown when an error occurs during the execution of a program. Java has a robust exception handling mechanism that allows developers to manage these errors gracefully. Types of exceptions. Unchecked exceptions. These are exceptions that are checked at compile time. Examples include ioexception and sqlexception. 2 unchecked exceptions. These are exceptions that are not checked at compile time. They include nullpointerexception, arrayindexoutofboundsexception, etc. 3 errors. These are not exceptions but are serious problems that a reasonable application should not try to catch. Examples include out-of-memory error and Stack Overflow error. Handling exceptions. In Java, exceptions can be handled using try, catch, and finally blocks. Here's the structure. Example, handling an exception in Eclipse. Let's create a simple Java program that demonstrates exception handling. We will attempt to divide by 0, which will cause an arithmetic exception. 1. Open Eclipse and create a new Java project. 2. Create a new Java class named exception example. 3. Write the following code in the exception example.java file. Explanation of the code. Try block contains code that may throw an exception. In this case, dividing by 0 will throw an arithmetic exception. Catch block catches the specific exception, arithmetic exception, and handles it by printing an error message and the stack trace. Finally block, this block executes regardless of whether an exception was thrown or not. It is often used for cleanup activities, like closing file streams or database connections. Running the program in Eclipse. 1. Save your file. 2. Right-click on the file in the Project Explorer. 3. Select Run as -Java application. Output. When you run this program, you should see the following output. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of handling exceptions in Java, how to structure your code using try, catch, and finally, and provided a simple example that demonstrates handling an arithmetic exception. Exception handling is a critical skill for Java developers, as it helps them create robust and user-friendly applications. Feel free to experiment with other types of exceptions and see how you can handle them in your Java programs.